Hello, this is Brani and welcome to the third devlog. Straight to the point, in the last devlog I added turrets, and in this devlog I wanna talk a little bit more about my ability system, which I upload the last video, just a showcase of this ability system. But let's talk a little bit more about this system. Why this ability system is needed in this game is because you will not be only one special jet have these abilities, but all your enemy will have these abilities, and they will be randomly spawned with random 2 abilities, and they gonna be randomly changing these abilities. It's gonna be many different modes in the game. In the campaign mode I will limit it which abilities we will have in each mission. Then we will opening new abilities, so slowly as you will be progressing the game, we will have more options to choose in the specific missions. So let's say we'll have some mission where you need to defend your base, and there you will get just in that specific mission a turret. But of course there will be something like skirmishes or like custom matches, or like team deathmatch, and let's say there will be like 2 or 4 teams against each other. Still don't decide yet how many AIs will be in the game. Someone in the comments was asking me about these abilities, how effective will be these abilities. As example, this ability Red Sun. When the enemy will be standing inside this ability, will be getting a damage over time. Or let's say this Blue Ring ability, their ship will be slowed down. Let's say this ability, Blue Storm, if you hit an enemy, he will lose the control of the jet for, let's say, 3 seconds. All these abilities I will be balancing to giving a proper damage, because you will still have your basic attack, but these 2 special abilities we will have longer cooldowns and will giving you more damage. So you need to think twice when is the right time to use the ability. Of course there will be more abilities to come. This is the core of the system, which I am happy for at the moment. In the next devlog I wanna adjust the damage and the cooldowns of these abilities, but at the moment they're working as they supposed to, so I am happy with that. The next thing is AI. As you can see in the previous devlogs, my AI was basically following the player, and when they have some obstacle in the way, they was basically hitting the obstacle infinitely until the player show up above them, and they change the course to the player and just following the player basically in the straight line. But when was something in the way, they just stuck. I was playing around with asset astarpathfinding, which should help of my AI, and after many try and errors, we have first advanced AI, and this is basically how it looks. Then I added basically a grouping of the AI, because the AI was always choosing the same path. So basically when I was rolling around the obstacle, they choose the same path, and that just doesn't look good. And now when it's one enemy jet close to another enemy jet, he will choose or try to choose a different path for following a player, and when he sees some obstacle, he will just basically avoid it. How all this work on grid system, which I can show you right away. So this is the grid system what I am using. It's the asteroid, and this is obstacle for the AI, and this is my AI which is looking to path for the player. AI is trying to find a different path. As you can see, the AI is always trying to find a different path than the AI beside it. I think it looks kind of cool. It's still a little bit jittering. Still I am not like 100% confident with this AI. But this thing, as you can see, will never happen in the game, because at the moment these jets have just only one rule, is to follow the player and kill it. But I will be changing that, because there will be, let's say, these turrets or the base or the different jets. So the player will have like a friendly jets. So these enemy jets will have like different if statements. If they see your base, they will attack the base. If they see you, they will attack you. If they see your turrets, they will attack the turrets or the friendly jets. And then I just need to make these if statements, like what have more priority for them. Things like this, 60 different jets following you around will never happen. This didn't look good, but if you see, if I restart the game and just 1 or 2 jets following me, it's actually looking very good. I just need to balance the speed of the jet and many other things to be polished, but it's already way better what we have before. And as you can see, I changed the sprite of the jets so they look alright, but all of them look the same. But I will implement a system where you can select your jet, how your jet is gonna look like. Even the enemy jets will be like some random, I don't know, 5 sprites, so it will be not always the same jet. Then in the next devlog I wanna implement a shield system and maybe start doing a main menu and balancing these abilities, giving them proper damage, maybe make a friendly AI and the state machines of the AI. That's about it. What I want to say, what I have everything on my heart. So I hope you like this project. Still not decide the name of it. I have a couple names already in the mind or write it down, but we are not there yet to give it a name. It's still a space project for me, but yeah, I'm kinda happy what I have achieved. This is actually 8 months of work, this project. Maybe even 9, because I started December. Okay, so this is everything. I hope you are excited as I am, because one day I will finish this project. One day will be an amazing game. At the moment it's just a hobby project. So thank you very much for watching, for listening me, and I hope to see you in the next devlog with a better AI or with some new cool abilities or something like that.